living without you. If you say bye, bye, bye. The tears is all that we share. Other day was there. What's right is wrong, get it fast, baby. Oh, it's you. All right, it's too.
Look, why you block me, bro? Why you block me, bro? Why you block me?
You said what?
Why you block me?
Why you weird?
Why you block me?
Why you weird?
Why you block me though?
Why do you stalk me? Why you stalk me? Why you come on my page to say weird shit? Why you so fidgety? 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 Why you messing with your hair, bro? Just
I
talk.
watch you, bro.
Just talk.
All right, bro. All right, chill.
No, don't run. Why you always run every time I add you to the live? Why you always run out? Why every time Why every time I add you to the live, you run out, bro?
I'm ready right now.
You what?
I'm ready right now. All right.
You was about to.
Nah.
Why you so fidgety? Why you gotta keep twisting it?
I do it all the time.
Why you gotta quit twisting and twirling your hair?
Nah, blood. Retreat.
No, why I gotta blood always see what I'm saying? As long as we ain't face to face, blood wanna talk. As soon as I put my face in, as soon as we face to face, and I'm looking in your eyes, Chico, nigga wanna run like that nigga every time, blood. Zesty as a bitch, you like me, blood. You like me. If you like me, say that, blood. You like me here, blood. Like, blood, that shit be zesty as hell, blood. Be true, blood. All the L's, man. All the L's. That nigga's a bitch. Oh, God. Straight bitch. No, you gay. No, you're gay, bro. You's a bitch. Like, my nigga, you's a bitch, my nigga. You know you's a bitch. Every time we go live, my nigga, you click yourself out. I swear to God, I've never clicked out. Every time we go live, you whack son, whack your daddy. Hold on, just whack your daddy. Hold on, whack your. See what I'm saying, bro? Every time I go live with you, you whack it like, bro, you whack son, son, whack. Is your son gay? 6'9" a civilian. Whack. Why is your son ain't got no bitches? 6'9" a civilian. Like, bro, why are you always dodging the question? Whack. 6'9" a civilian. Hey, bro, get your head. Hey, bro. Why every time we go live, you always take yourself out the equation, blood? I never, like, tap you out. I never be like, nah, get out of here. Like, blood, you retreat yourself. How do, like, blood, what type of nigga retreat himself, blood? Like, blood, fuck up. I make you nervous, huh, blood? I could tell, blood. I make you feel all warm and fuzzy inside when you talk to me, blood. Don't lie, blood. You talk to me and you feel warm and fuzzy inside, huh? Don't lie, blood. Pool Rider sound here. Pool Rider sound. My homie Pool Rider did fuck with homosexuals. 6'9" a civilian. But, like, you know what's even more hilarious? When you say it backwards. My homie 6'9" did fuck with homosexuals. 6'9", no. My homie Pooh, no. My homie 6'9" did fuck with homosexuals. Pool Rider, civilian. Like, blood, you gotta say it backwards. When you say it backwards, it sounds like you're fucking, that's even hilarious all over again. My homie 6'9" did fuck with homosexuals. Pool Rider, civilian. It's more hilarious when you say it back. My homie 6'9" did fuck with homosexuals. Pool Rider, civilian. That's a whole nother joke, bro. That's a whole, like, bro, you see the comedic genius in there, bro? That's a whole nother joke. My homie 6'9" did fuck with homosexuals. Pool Rider, civilian. Is your son gay? Pooh Rider civilian. Whack 100. Is your son gay as shit? Pooh Rider civilian. Blood, whole another joke, blood. You can't fuck with me, blood. That's the thing, blood. Hold on, let me pull my hair to the front. I ain't gonna lie, that was a little zesty. But a nigga with long hair is a little zesty anyway. Like, my bad. My bad, my shit longer than your bitch. But what I'm saying, though, like, what I'm saying is, like, but is your son a homosexual? Pooh Rider civilian. You wanna go live, blood? You ready now, blood? You masked up and got all this shit, man. You ready,
Oh, my nigga, man. Good morning.
Showed it, blood. Top of it.
Hey, Tom. You know, I did time with Pooh Rider in San Luis Obispo in 2010 and 2011.
That's
We were
CRC?
down there.
CRC?
California Men's Colony.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
CMC.
CMC, what you call him was over there. What's the founder of the Insane? The nigga from Dog Pound. The nigga from Trey D.
Oh, Trey D was up there?
Yeah, he was up there.
I
He was
was in
on
the
a level.
county. I was in the county with Trey D when he was still fighting that shit.
Yeah, he was up there. He was on a level 3 side though. You know what I mean? But I didn't know, you know, because I know niggas older than Pooh Rider. You know what I mean?
No,
Because
Pooh
when I met,
Rider was a gangster though. Pooh Rider was a gangster though.
yeah, but I'm saying I met niggas. I know niggas older. Like I know niggas before Whack 100 and Pooh Rider. You know what I mean? I know they G homies. You feel me? Before them niggas. You feel me? On blood. Yeah. Shit.
That nigga Pooh Rider was a gangster. That nigga Whack.
Yeah,
Like,
that was my.
Whack just trying to throw his homie under the bus. Like that's not.
Yeah.
It ain't. I'm not trying to I'm not saying that. Like I'm trying to disrespect Pooh Rider, even though he did fuck with homosexuals. But his homie Whack threw him under the bus. Like threw him under my homie Pooh. That's like a famous quote now. Like I'm gonna make sure make it famous because he try to talk about like don't try to speak highly of blood. And you already spoke down on blood, is what I'm saying.
Right.
You spoke down. I didn't know that about Pooh Rider. I thought blood was a gangster. But you spoke down on blood, so I don't want to hear blood speak highly of blood, like try to speak, yeah, my homie Pooh Rider, like nigga, your homie Pooh Rider, my homie Pooh Rider did fuck with homosexual. All right, so I don't want to hear you speak highly of blood, like you looked up to blood.
Right.
You know what I mean?
When I met Blood was a gangster. Me and Blood was bigger than we was booed. So I don't know.
I mean, Blood he was a power top. Blood, I ain't gonna lie, Blood was a power top. Blood was a power top. Blood, you know what I mean? He was a power top, bro. He wasn't as zesty.
Right.
He wasn't zesty.
Yeah.
He wasn't zesty, but he was a power top, bro. He was a power top.
Oh, Blood. Yeah, I'm gonna be on here. I'm seeking these niggas out. I'm gone, Skoe. Let you have your love. It's all blood. You know what I mean? Hey, you know what? Phone 2. Yep. Out of here.
Pause, bro. Pause. His homie Pooh Rider did fuck with homosexuals. But Blood was a gangster, though. Blood was the business. But I'm saying, though, why you ain't so adamant about telling the world that your son fuck with homosexuals, though? Like, that's why I don't understand. Like, you was adamant about telling the world that his homie Pooh Rider did fuck with homosexuals. But why you ain't adamant? And so, like, Whack, one mic on Whack. Why you ain't so adamant about your son fucking with homosexuals? My son do fuck with homosexuals. You ain't adamant about that, bro. Like, be adamant. Be as adamant. Keep that same, what they say, keep that same energy, bro. Keep that same energy, nigga. Queen Street, nigga. Like, one thing about Boskoe keep that same energy, nigga. When I had money, when I didn't have money, but I kept that same energy, bro. Keep that same energy, nigga. Oh, yeah. Y'all. How do you feel about Rick Ross? What do you mean how I feel about it? That shit sounds nasty as hell. How do you feel about Rick Ross? How should I feel about it? Is there a way I should feel? Like, what do you mean how I feel? Like, that shit sound kind of nasty. Are you gay? You're gay. That was a gay question. Like, I ain't gonna lie. How do you feel about Rick Ross? How should I feel about it? Is there a certain way that I should be feeling about it? Hey Rick, how should I feel about you? Like, I don't know how I should feel. Like, I don't know. I've never been asked that before. Like, I don't know. I don't know how to respond. I ain't gonna lie. That shit question sounds nasty as hell, but I don't know how to respond to that. How do you feel about Rick Ross? Nigga, that's you, man. Like, don't ask me that, man. Try to put me in a bit. That's you, man. Don't fucking ask me that, man. It's like, how should I feel? Fucking me, how do I feel about it, man? I don't like that question, man. I don't like that question. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like that question. So, how do you feel about Rick Ross? I don't know. Fucking me. Fuck that, like, black. You gotta ask that in a different way, black. I don't like the way that question came up. So, how do you feel about it? I don't know, like, black shot, like, black, that shit sounds zesty to me. So if I answer it, that make me zesty too. I feel like, if I even answer, like, wait a minute, like, pause. How should I feel? Like, fuck do you mean? How do I feel? Like, am I supposed to feel away about him? Like, that's my nigga. Like, that's my nigga. Like, that's my nigga. That's my nigga. All right, that's my nigga. Like, what should I feel? Like, what do you mean? How do I feel about it? How do you feel about Ray Ross? All right, what should I? That's my nigga. Black Buff. Black Buff. Fucking me. How do I feel? How do you feel about Black? I don't like the way that came out, my nigga. This shit. How do you feel about Black? Yeah, no, I don't like that. I don't know how I feel about it. Yeah. How do you feel about it? I don't know. I never like thought about it that way. How do you feel about it? I feel, I feel great. Like, what do I say? Like, how do you answer that question? How do you feel about it? What do I say? What the fuck this ain't talking about? How do I feel? These niggas really be making police department pages. That shit weird, bro. Right? My nigga Skoe Dirt. That nigga Skoe Dirt, blood. Skoe Dirt wanna come in here so bad. Skoe Dirt, I see you, Skoe Dirt. Like, blood, you ain't even Skoe Dirt. My nigga Skoe Dirt wanna come in here so bad. I made you, blood. Like, blood, you're nothing without me, blood. You Skoe, I'm gonna call you Skoe Dirt now, blood. Skoe Dirt, you're nothing without me, blood. Skoe Dirt. My nigga Skoe Dirt, blood. That nigga made a whole new page. Come on, Skoe Dirt. You made a whole new page. You had a whole new page, man, just to kill me.
Hey, you right about that. That Skoe dirt shit go hard, man. Oh God.
I know.
Yo, that little blue head guy always say like, I can feel it. Hell yeah. That's that childhood trauma. You feel, I can feel it.
You
Hell
following?
yeah. That's how he said.
You following?
Nah, I see him on the YouTube videos and shit.
I don't
I
see
can
him.
feel
I
it.
don't see him.
Hell yeah.
I don't be seeing him on YouTube videos. Though.
Shit, I been seeing that shit, man. That man weird as hell, man. We should been on Big Gangster. You see me, I'm out here stalking you and shit. Been stalking and shit.
I know it's
Been waiting on the
time
live.
to take my I think it's time to take my braces off. Like, my teeth straight as hell. Like my shit really straight as hell already. Like, it's time to take my shit.
Yeah, your shit looking boo. Your shit looking boo. Like these motherfuckers talking about how you feel about Rick Ross and shit. He boo. What more do they want?
What should I
What
say?
more
I
they
don't know
want?
how to I don't know how I should feel about another man like that, bro. Like I don't know. I
Yeah,
don't like
like
that question. Like I don't know. Like ask me that. How do you feel about it?
they like these bitches, man. They want to know details about the night out, about how you feeling about this. Oh, did they kiss you? Like I can feel it. Hell yeah. Like bitches, like motherfuckers
What you
tripping,
doing? What you
man.
been up to, man? You got some money now. Like I remember the last time I was alive with you. I watched you get some money, nigga. What you been doing?
Oh yeah, on the live I was hating. I remember that shit. I was talking all that crazy shit. I was talking a whole lot of shit on that bitch live and shit.
But you still
Yeah,
tap.
they sent.
But you come into my every live and request. Why do you do that? I don't understand. Like why you do that? Like you come into my
Man,
every live and you request to go live, but you talk shit. Bro, it just don't make no sense to me, bro. Like, what is the problem?
talked all that pussy shit, man. Like I been a bullshit motherfucker, man. It's bullshit. I'm a bullshit motherfucker. Hold on, let me show y'all the swag. I'm looking like I look fucked up. I look stupid as shit. I'm a dumb bitch, man. I'm a dumb bitch. Like I got on Skoe's live. I was booed. He was booing. He put me on. I started hating like a little bitch.
On some
The
bullshit,
government
bro.
stuff.
That shit was weird, bro. I don't understand. Like, what happened?
Yeah,
Like, why
man.
you do that? Like, I just don't understand, bro. Like, that was some hoe shit, bro.
Crazy. Like, oh, they see me out there. Hold up, they don't see me out here.
Look at the cat.
Wait.
The cats always like the cats like feel like
They out here.
I ain't gonna lie. The cats like feel like they got some importance, bro. They're like you fucking them cats, bro. Like
They feeling
them,
boo.
them
They
cats
feeling
like
boo. They do.
serious shit. Like you fucking them cats, bro. Like why them cats always like act like they just got some importance. Like them cats be looking way too important, bro. Like them cats be like they be
They
like
feeling important too. They feeling important. They feeling boo. You feel me?
you
I be
fucking
feeding them
fucking them cats, bro.
dry food.
Don't
Nah,
lie,
I
bro.
ain't doing it, man. I ain't doing it. No face. I
What
ain't
you
doing it,
doing
man.
in there, bro? Like them cats too weird, bro. Them cats act like bitches that you fuck. Like you know how you fuck a bitch and nothing they pussy. Like bro, you doing
Yeah.
something to them cats, like bro, like something.
Nah, they getting love, man. They getting different
Like
love
you know
though.
how
Nah,
bitches
nah, they
not, but
get
like bitch, you can fuck 1,000 bitches, but they feel a different way when you nut inside them and here and give them that raw. When you give them that raw and you skeet up in that thing, like they feel different, bro. And especially if you spend
yeah.
the night, bro, you fucking them cats and letting them spend the night, bro.
Nah,
I'm telling
man.
you,
That
bro,
shit
they
ain't.
be there, bro. Bro, you
I
like
would
something.
tell you, bro. I would tell you. I'm keeping it real. I'd give it up like it is. You feel me?
That shit
I would
weird
tell
though,
you if
bro.
I
Like
do this.
I don't see no cats act like that unless you giving them shit like that. Unless you gotta be feeding them, fucking them, like something.
Man, I
Like
ain't letting them out there in the cold world, man. They ain't gotta be starving, eating bones out the garbage. I be giving them dry food, wet food. They getting their vitamins. They chilling, man. You feel what I'm saying? Like
you
they
can't
good.
afford to feed the cats, man. Nigga.
Wet.
You can't afford to.
Yeah, I be starving. Yo, listen to this. I be starving. I ain't eating too much, but they gotta hear that shit. They gotta hear it. Mama pregnant now. Mama kid pregnant. She got a big belly. She about to give birth to them beautiful animals. I'm about to get that baby food too. That little kitty cat food.
Bro, how
On
you call
God.
it? You fell in love with the black culture. Like you like a nigga that like
Yeah. You
you
see
jumped
how
on
I'm
the internet.
talking? All this. I don't sound like
Like
this.
you ain't from Greece, but you like a nigga that jumped on the internet. You found the internet You fell in love, like you found somebody, like you found your first rapper. You like, yeah.
Yeah. You feel me? Saying? Hey, I don't talk like this. You feel me? This is like a whole like I don't talk like this. Like my real like
Oh,
shit.
that's
Like I
what I'm
talk.
saying. Like you seem like you be like, Ashkanam, like
Yeah.
you got like a whole nother
Yeah.
language, like you really talk like it's weird, but like you found this like internet persona and you fell in love with
Yeah,
it, like
man.
yeah, nigga,
Oh
huh?
God.
Oh
That's
god,
some pussy ass shit, right? That's some pussy ass shit, but that's how it is, right? Motherfucker gotta give it out like it is, man. Look at the head, all types of wavy and shit.
yeah, watch
It's
that,
looking bull.
yeah, watch that shit, yeah, duh.
Yeah, it been a while. It been a while, but it looking bull, right? That shit looking kind of like a little something, right?
It just look like it's matting together, like it's starting to get matted.
Yeah.
You want dreads?
Yeah,
You want some shit to get long? Like you want some dreads?
yeah, but motherfucker really, I gotta cut this shit off because it's fucking my head up already. I
What's
gotta cut this shit and then start growing them dreads. Cause right now my whole
you
shit
already
mad
that
up
shit
over
already
here.
locking together. That shit already like disgusting.
Yeah,
That shit already look disgusting and matted. Like serious.
this is Scorpion. You feel me?
No, serious.
This
No, serious. I'm not even joking. Like it look disgusting and matted right now already. So like it's already
yeah, it
you
is.
already got the platform for dreadlocks. Like
Yeah. Yo, let me tell you about what I've been on, man. I've been on like switch the rap game up a little bit. I'm starting to do some sexy disco girl music now for the sexy girls, you heard? For the sexy bikini wears and shit. Some bullshit, some straight bullshit. Look at the
uh,
dance of the disco.
no, serious.
The
That shit
disco.
sound like some straight bullshit. Shit.
Yeah, the disco music. Every sexy girl, put your dress on, put your bikini on. We about to go to the disco. We about to get fucked in the disco toilet. We about to make great things happen. Getting them guns out, bitch, we start clipping. Everybody run up on bitch, you know we attacking. Getting all the money we sniping. Going ape shit, banking, cashing, shooting up shit. Hey, crashing, out, crashed on shit, getting that money, bitch. Still up in the streets, hunt busting shit. Yeah, that was some pussy ass shit. That was some pussy ass shit.
Oh God. I ain't gonna lie. Oh God. No, serious shit. Sure. I'm glad you recognized it. And that's shit. You recognized you took note of it.
Yeah, like you when you make something hot, you gonna know when it's bullshit. Most of the time it's some bullshit. It's gonna sound like some bullshit. All them freestyles. I ain't about rape, bro. I figured that out. Like raping, it ain't really gonna work, man. It gotta go on some goofy shit, like some persona
I wish,
internet shit.
I wish every nigga realized that rapping ain't about your rap. Like, bro, nobody give a fuck about rapping no more, bro.
Yeah, man.
Don't give a fuck like
Everybody
that.
think they hot
All about,
shit, like
all about the persona, bro. It's all about the persona. Don't give
yeah,
a fuck. Like, who really gives a fuck about rap anymore, bro? It's only a few niggas that really can rap. Like, it's all about the persona, bro.
yeah.
That's why I tell,
When these clown
but that's
motherfuckers,
why I tell niggas, no, listen, that's why I tell niggas, money ain't everything. Money ain't everything. Like, money ain't everything. Like, rap ain't everything. Rap ain't nothing no more.
yeah,
And
rap
money,
ain't shit.
rap ain't shit, and money ain't everything, bro. You know that?
Man, I ain't even gonna lie. I just smoked a 0.2. I'm high as shit. I just smoked that shit. And when I smoke this shit right to the face, I get all fucked up for the next 15 minutes. I don't even feel too good. You feel me? Like I'm tripping, my heart jumping and shit.
You
I
feel a
gotta
little
move.
spacey? You feeling a little
Now I'm
spacey?
about to feel spacey. I'm about to be feeling good in like 2 to 3 hours and shit. I'm about to be good after these 15 minutes. I'm chilling after that. I'm high as a bitch. I'll be feeling good. But right now, I'm tripping, my whole heart jumping, blood pumping, all types.
Retreat, blood. Oh no. Like, so sit there and enjoy that, blood. I gotta pee, man. I don't want to sit here and listen to that shit, man. Cause you making me gotta pee. Like you so hyper. Serious shit. You so hyper that I gotta pee now, man. Serious shit. Retreat, but stay fucking back. So I'm gonna call y'all back. I gotta pee. But it made me have to pee.